Introducing the MikroTik LHG LTE6 kit, available now at linktex.net. This is a great tool for providing cellular network coverage in very remote outdoor locations where it's needed most. So let's see what it can do for you. This high-gain antenna system is ideal for mounting high up on cell towers, poles, fences, rooftops, walls, masts, or other structures where you need improved high-speed cell phone coverage on a small budget. At the heart of this antenna is a Cat6 LTE modem, which enables carrier aggregation and can operate multiple bands simultaneously, giving you better performance when serving multiple LTE users in one area. It also delivers better responsiveness in crowded environments and stronger signal strength without costly cable network expansion. This unit gives you full support for 802.3AF/AT POEN, as well as multiple band support for 2G class, 12, 3GR7, LTE FDD, LTE TDD, and LTE6 with faster uplink and downlink performance. Behind this protective hatch, you get one 10-100 Ethernet port with POEN, one SIM slot, mini PCIe slot, mode button, reset switch, as well as these external LED indicator lights. Each unit is powered by a 650 MHz single-core CPU, 64 megabytes of RAM, 16 megabytes of flash storage, router OS 3, 6 watts max power consumption, and an operating temperature range of -30 to 60 degrees Celsius. Each unit includes this 24-volt power adapter, metal pole ring, PoE injector cable, screw set, and full documentation, so you're ready to install right out of the box. Ruggedly reliable, adaptable, packed with features, and easy to set up. This solves a lot of problems on a tiny budget. It's a great investment in cellular service done right. Overall, the MikroTik LHG LTE6 kit is a great solution for your high-speed networking needs, and it's available now. To learn more or to get one for yourself, give us a call at 314-735-0270 or visit linktex.net. Thanks for watching, keep moving those packets, and have yourself a great day.